Yung binibenta nyo yun?
Alin?
Yung etong mga...
DS?
Oo, yung case.
May laman
lang
wala.
Kasi yung dati kong nabili, wala.
Dati ka mo kasi. Yan.
Adik ako sa Pokemon games.
Woods! Wow! Original talaga. Oh, sabi na nga ba, original tulad si original eh.
Lalo na yung mga good deals.
Itong Soul Silver. Paano kaya pag ito lang kinuha ko?
Bahala ka na kapag
More on nagiging collection na lang din dahil ang saya rin ng parting yun. Siyempre kabilang na rin yung mga consoles. So, minsan mo ba lalaro yung mga to, diba? Flex ko lang mga rare items ko, pari. At kung papasok ka sa hobby na to, dapat alam mo rin kung paano mag-restore kung sakaling magka-problema sila.
Kunin lang natin itong toothbrush ng ka-office mate ko. Ooh, kumikinang ina. Siyempre, dating natin yung sticker. Kasi mahalaga yan eh. Sticker yan eh. Pero basa na eh. Yes. Yes. Sige, patuyuin. Basa agad, diba? Napakalinis. Pokemon Platinum.
Lalo na sa akin, pangdurugan yung gamit ko sa mga to. Meron ako nahanap na GBSP AJS101. May burnt screen, pre-love condition, at mga napakagandang battle scars. Cute. Strip yung screw niya sa battery cover, pero loose naman. Kaya dinaliri ko na lang hanggang sa matanggal. Nananalangin ako na sana burn lang talaga yung nasa screen niya. Hindi LCD bleed. Malinis pa to, kung tutusin. Pag di nabasa yung laro, try nyo na 95% lang yung nakapasok. Sure yun pag walang sira yung mga contacts. Halos parang wala ng sounds ah. Unang tingin wala akong nakikitang LCD bleed. Pero yung screen burn niya talaga sobrang lala. Namuti na yung itim at grabe na talaga yung mga burn particles. Oh, mukhang wala kang white bleed. Literal na kaya pa tong ma-restore. Malambot yung screws niya dito. Para sa pre-love unit, ang linis ng motherboard ah. Pati yung contacts ng ribbon cable, kumikinang. Naging mushy na rin yung rubber membranes. Di ko talaga yun mag-gets. Wala rin kalawang yung screen. Ayos. Masyado siyang madumi. As in. Oh, dumi. Bali ang goal ko rito ay mapasok yung mismong LCD screen. Dahil doon nakadikit yung polarizers. Ang hirap lang talagang tanggalin ng metal shielding. Kailangan din kasi dahan-dahan baka mapuwerse LCD screen at masira. Oh my gosh! Astig! Baho ang may sunog! Baho! Yung burn naman kasi ay yung mismong polarizers dahil sa katandaan. May halos 20 years na rin naman tong mga to. Yung residue na to ay yung adhesive ng lumang polarizer na lumapat na talaga sa screen. Ito yung pinaka-tedious sa proseso ng restoration na to. Kumbaga, matinding pasensya at alcohol ang kailangan mo rito. Para sa akin, cathartic talaga yung pag-restore ng consoles. Lalo na to, first time ko susubukan yung pagpalit ng polarizer. Sa wakas! Pwede na to. Konti na lang. Yes! Kaya pwede mo nang kunin yung replacement polarizer. Oh my gosh, ayos pa siya. At tansyahin mo na yung tamang orientation. Basta ikot-ikutin mo lang hanggang sa pumuti at hindi maging negative. Kumbaga yung tamang kulay. So dapat ganun. Saka mo idikit. Parang screen protector lang. Kaso bonak ako rito eh. Fuck. Daming bubbles oh. Bago ko i-reassemble yung Game Boy, pinaliguan ko na muna yung shell para na rin matanggal na yung mga dumi at lagkit sa mga botones at sa mismong plastic. Tapos syempre dahil restoration nga to, pati yung strip screw ng battery cover, papalitan ko na rin ng bago. Paano ito tinatanggal? Hindi ako marunong magtanggal ng washer kaya brute force na lang. Kukunin kong donor ay itong nasa pink na battery cover. Ganun lang pala yung kadali. Yes. Hello, basic.
First try.
At last, yung sounds, mahina na nga. Pero yan, simpleng palit lang naman yan ng capacitor. At nginig na may kasamang soldering. Puso lang, puso. Hashtag very professional work. Tas binrush ko na rin yung motherboard gamit alcohol. Pwede to siguraduhin nyo lang na 100% isopropyl para mabilis matuyo yung alcohol na gamit nyo. Huling puno sa screen lens. Hashtag sash. At reassembly na. Moment of truth. Fuck! Bakit gagi kulay red? Hindi ko alam saan ako nagkamali. Ba't kulay red? Yan. Ito. Ba't kulay red, gagi? I mean, sa camera parang okay siya, yo. I mean, at least, rinig na rinig niya yung sounds. Pero tayo na kulay red. Tsaka, dilim. I mean, tingnan nyo naman yung difference kumpara sa Aegis 101 na ayos. Ang ina ng ginawa ko. Actually, pwede itong pang shiny hunting. Hindi siya nagko-compensate, pero pwede na. May kita mo naman pa rin pala yung shiny, lalo na kapag top down yung view. You know, okay naman eh. Pag top down, ganito naman yung nakikita ko pag nagsha-shiny hunting eh. Kaya parang, pwede. Bali para dito sa oras na ginugol ko dito na halos 5 oras, feel ko hindi siya worth it. Kasi nga naman sayang kung sakaling nagbayad na lang ako ng 500 o kaya 800, mas pipiliin ko pa yun kesa sa ginawa ko dito na hindi ko alam saan ako nagkamali. Baka mamaya sa... Mahirap yata kasi talagang paglaruan yung mga polarizers. Kaya at least natuto ako sa experience at para sa akin, okay yun. I mean, sayang. At least, di ba, may sounds. Pero hindi ako papayag. Ang layo na ng narating ko. Ayos ni. Kailangan niya pang mabuhay ulit para makapaghanap ng shinies. Sabi nga ni Asta, never don't give up.
Hey, what's up, man?
I need your help.
What do you mean help? What the fuck? Okay, bro, it's 3 in the morning, alright? You just fucking woke me up. I'm not sure what you need or what you want from me, but fuck, I don't know what happened this time. Did you get your dick stuck in the microwave again, bro? Holy shit, man. Go fuck yourself. I'm going to bed, bro.
Pumayag siya. Kaya ngayon, binalot ko na at dinala na sa LBC para ipadala na kay The Great Grain of Rice HD. Huwag niyong kakalimutan yung HD.
Oh, hey, I didn't see you there. Well, I did. I did see you there. My name's Grain of Rice HD. Do not forget HD. Alright? And today, my fucking ding ding. Looks like we're unboxing something against my will. You guessed it. We're gonna be unboxing. Okay, I'm so sorry, but I also forgot to put my ding ding here. So yeah, let's jump right into it. Let's see what the fuck this retard has given us. Transition. Alright, so in this case, it looks like I received a package. I guess we don't have to open that slide. I think it's a Game Boy. Yeah, you guys still use Game Boys? I wouldn't know. What are you talking about? Let's unbox this shit. Don't ever forget scissors. I'm not sure what this is. Oh shit, it's not a Game Boy, but it is a iPad. Wow. So I think we're gonna fix this shit. I'm not sure. Wait, what is this? Let's see what oh yeah. Who the fuck's calling me at this hour? What the fuck is that, Spider-Man? Hey, who the fuck's calling me, man? Oh, it's my mom. I can see the problem here. This is fucked. This is really fucked. I'm assuming you want me to fix this shit, right? Like your slave, huh? Like a Bidoof who only learns cut, and that's it. That's all you use me for. Just kidding. Yeah, with that ding ding. Okay, so first things first. I'm gonna start by dissecting this fuck right here. So, I'm gonna go ahead and do that. This is paired. So basically, we have two polarizers here. Just to make sure if this is the underlying problem, we get to solve it. Because there's a possibility of any bad polarizer. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and open this now. It's okay to bend these two. So yeah, you see, dude, this polarizer is different from the like more grayish clear. So we're gonna start with the fucking blade. Nice. Clean cock. Huh. Okay. Sure no dust gets involved. Okay, dude, don't mind the fucking music.
Yeah, I know, right? The music is so cool. Just remove the music. I'll narrate this shit. Oh yeah, don't mind the disco lights, my guys. I am in a gay bar. Okay, so this is the back polarizer, and I'm guessing this is where Tuna fucked up. And now I'm repositioning the polarizer, because why not? Like, I'm repositioning my ass cheek in between this plunger that I'm holding. Okay, this is so not me, guys. I'm good at putting shit in holes. Oh shit, it's black. You know what else is black? I'm just kidding. Please cut that out. Yeah, so in this case, it looks like we had to fix or reorganize the layers here. One of the pieces were just not in the right order, so I had to fix that shit up.
And guess what we got here today, boys? We got this guy. The smooth looking motherfucker. Right there. There you go.
Now we're putting all these shit back together, so montage quick, please. Yeah!
Put the battery in, put this shit in, and my boys, we are finished with the project. Just like that.
Kaya ngayon pumunta na ako dito sa Pampanga para kitain siya at makita ko na ng harapan yung Game Boy. Oh, he's here. You got the goods?
Yeah.
God damn.
Oh shit, wrong hole.
What the fuck? Why in a safeguard box?
Yes.
Here's your safeguard, bro.
I still don't understand why the safeguard.
Yeah.
But
You know what they say, right? When life gives you lemons, you give it to a fish.
oh,
Yeah.
oh,
It's lemon, dude.
it's fresh with vitamin C.
Yeah.
Fuck me.
Oh, yeah, I will.
Oh my gosh. What the fuck? Thank you for the ding ding. I have my own ding ding now. That is awesome.
Yeah.
This is it, the moment of truth. Did he fucking fix it? Because you guys watch the videos.
There you go.
I mean, I still don't know at this point if he did fix it. Didn't fix it, right?
No, fuck no.
Oh my gosh, you didn't. My gosh, moment of truth, my guys. Oh. So it's like a shiny Rayquaza, huh? It's reflective. It's not the ordinary AGS 101. Yeah, you can see the reflectiveness right there. It's like a super rare.
It's holographic.
It's like holographic, but then this is actually good.
I mean, before it was blue.
Yeah, I mean, it was pink.
Oh, yeah.
Now it's playable.
That's what she said.
Fucking did it. Oh, that is gay. There are no dusts either. Holy fuck, my guy. You did a great job.
You know me, man.
I like it. I love it. Now you know where you ask some random guy to fix a gay boy.
Yeah.
It works now.
That's why they call me Grain of Rice HD.
Never forget the HD, my guys.
Nah. Okay, ready.
Got the goods.
Yeah.
Why did you laugh? Why the fuck did you
I'm so
laugh?
sorry. I'm so sorry.
You need
Dude,
to let it
it's
sip in.
It's just fucking hilarious.